Let me show you how I bedazzled this Be Pure Glow Up Night Moisturizer from Dollar Tree. So, of course, you're going to need your Glow Up Night Moisturizer from Dollar Tree. Yes, you heard that right, $1.25. And I'm going to use this glue with royal gliss because it's good with glass. And this is a glass kind of jar. Some jelly rhinestones and a wax pencil. I'm going to go ahead and sand first. I forgot to remove the sticker in the bag. I forgot it was even there. But yeah, I'm just going to sand and wipe it down with alcohol. And then we're going to get started. So I'm going to do the lid first. At first I was going to use the jelly rhinestones, but I decided to go with the resin silverback rhinestones for the lid because the jelly would be for like the bottom, and I thought it would be a better fit. And I wanted to like kind of make the two pinks stand out from each other. But yeah, going in with my foundation line. Your foundation line is your first line. This line determines how it's going to be from top to bottom when you're doing a honeycomb method. And if you don't know what the honeycomb method is, it's placing one rhinestone in between every two rhinestones to make a honeycomb-like pattern. And that's what I'm just doing here with the pink resin rhinestones. But yeah, I was in Dollar Tree and I was like, the girlies is on a budget. So why not bedazzle something that's on a budget? And this probably only costs you get a bag of rhinestones, the glue and everything, under 10 bucks. It's a moisturizer for $1.25, and it's a dupe, girls. It's a dupe. Apparently, I haven't used it. I'm not a fan of the non-dupe version of it. I haven't tried it. It's not my thing, but this is for the girlies that, you know, on a budget. You want to try something new? You want to bedazzle? I'm going to show you how to do it. And that's what I'm doing here. But yeah, anyways, back to the video. I'm so sorry, guys. But I'm going in with my pink rhinestones. I did the honeycomb method on the side, and at the top, I'm just doing a circular method. You can do the honeycomb method. I just choose not to for the lid. I don't know. It's just me. I have seen honeycomb method lids. I just feel like it's extra time because you got to use filler stones. We're trying to get in and get out on a budget here, okay? In and out on a budget. That's what we're doing. I think I'm actually going to run a sale on rhinestones. So I will leave a link to my Etsy shop below just in case. I'm going to have them 75% off. So you could get this whole little feng shui for under $5 because the jar was only $1.25. I just can't get over that. But yeah, next I'm going to do the front with the jelly rhinestones. I like that the jelly rhinestones, they give you like that milky kind of transition. If you're following what I'm trying to say here, I don't even know. But it kind of blends better than the resin ones. You see what I mean? Like, it looks like it kind of matches the moisturizer inside. That's what I was going for. If you follow me, let me know in the comments because I'm not even sure if I'm saying it right. But yeah, I did an outline because I did want the brand to be exposed. It's by Be Pure. I don't know if you guys tried it before. I have their hand sanitizers. I think it's a great dupe to Touchland. But you know, you didn't hear it from me. You definitely didn't hear it from me. But yeah, so I'm just doing my honeycomb method here. Just placing one stone in between every two rhinestones. And I'm just going to go all the way around with this. This really took maybe under 30 minutes. I didn't let the glue dry, so it kind of like was sticky. But I would recommend giving it at least 20 minutes in between every part that you do to let the glue dry. But yeah, and then I'm just using a little filler stone, maybe 2 or 3 2M size rhinestones in the jelly pink rhinestones. And I'm just going to continue my honeycomb method because it kind of goes around. And it actually lined up perfectly with the other side. And that's how you know you did your honeycomb method correctly. If it lines up on the other side, it's a win. A win is a win. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to do my honeycomb method. The size that I'm using is a 5M rhinestone. I think it's a perfect starter rhinestone. It will not drive you crazy. Do not use 3M. I'm just saying, just don't do it. But yeah, I really like this one. I was like, wow, $1.25. I just couldn't get over that part. But yeah. And I'm just gonna go around and around, and then bam, finished. Yeah, easy, right? But let me know if you tried this in the comments, and if you're interested in more tutorials on bedazzling, don't forget to like and subscribe.